What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Saturday morning to you. Hope you're doing well. Hope everything's going well for you. Well, guys, it has been an extremely long, hard year, especially for us who have cool season lawns. It's been extremely hot, and if you're anything like me, we're now into August and the lawn is just tired. So I want to give you guys some products and things that you can use to try to maybe revive your lawn, or if you're planning an overseed or an aeration project, products that you can use to help give your lawn some life and kind of get it recovering. I want to say welcome to all the new subscribers. I am so glad to have you. This channel continues to grow. Thank you for those who leave the awesome comments down below. You know, it takes a lot of time to make these videos, so your kind words and your words of encouragement really do keep me going. Grab a cup of coffee, let's sit down, let's have a chat. I want to talk to you guys about the products you need to get your lawn revived. Let's get into the video. So the first two products that I want to show you guys are both fertilizers from the Yard Mastery. Actually, all the products I'm going to be showing today are from the Yard Mastery. So I'm going to leave links down below where you can pick these up. And you know, I'm an affiliate with them, so I do get a little bit of a commission whenever you choose to use those links. You certainly don't have to do that, but help support the channel. If you find this video helpful and want to support me, support the channel, it's a great way to do it. So again, we talked about the lawn just being stressed out, and as we transition from the really hot period of June, July, and August, as we transition more towards September, October, I mentioned the lawn is just tired. And so one of the quickest ways that we can kind of rejuvenate the lawn as the nights, you know, start getting a little bit cooler and the daytime highs aren't quite so bad, the rainfall becomes a little bit more steady and not so overwhelming with huge downpours of rain. The quickest way we can do that is to add some fertilizer. And these two are great options. First, we'll start with the stress blend. The analysis is a 7-0-20, I believe. Yep, a 7-0-20. So 7% nitrogen, 0% phosphorus, and 20% potassium. What stress blend is great for, you know, it just, you know, without pushing a whole lot of growth as we, you know, kind of transition a little bit, it will just give the lawn the nutrients it needs to start repairing itself. As time has gone on throughout the summer, you know, we've lost a lot of root mass. You know, maybe you've had some damage with fungus, and this just gives the lawn the energy that it needs to be able to repair itself. And the same way with the starter fertilizer. The starter fertilizer, while it's marketed as a starter, it basically just has 12% of everything. So it's gonna just kind of do a really good job of giving you a little bit of nitrogen, a little bit of potassium, a little bit of phosphorus, without pushing a tremendous amount of growth. These happen to be the 18-pound bags, so they cover roughly 6,000 square feet. Easy to handle, and you know, just some overall great products. So if you're into a more of a liquid program, you know, this is something that I would suggest. This is the 16-21-2 Green Pop. This is the next formulation for a starter fertilizer. The analysis is 16-21-2. So a big shot of phosphorus. When you think about fertilizer, the first number is nitrogen. Think green and grow. This is nitrogen is what makes your grass green and grow. The middle number is phosphorus. That is what helps root development. And as I just mentioned, you know, we'd lost a lot of root mass with our turf, and so giving phosphorus will help replenish and regrow some of those roots. And then the last number is potassium or potash, and that's just kind of the overall plant health. If you're seeding, this would be a great option, or if you want to just, again, rejuvenate the lawn, kind of get it growing, get it going again. The use rate is 16 ounces per 1,000. You just mix this. You can either put this in a hose-in sprayer and just kind of broadcast it over the lawn, or put it in a backpack sprayer and spray it over your lawn. Just make sure you're using plenty of carrier volume with the water, because you don't want to end up burning the lawn. So just be kind of careful with that. But this does have a little bit of sea kelp in it, which we've talked throughout the year about the benefits of sea kelp. You know, think about the harsh environment that sea kelp has to grow in. It's just a great stress reliever. So great product. Pick this up at Yard Mastery. Again, links below. So the next two products I want to show you are not fertilizers. The first one is microgreen. I've shown this product in the past. This is just a micronutrient blend. This is just great for, again, repairing and restoring all of the nutrients and things that we've lost throughout the lawn. You'd be surprised how much, heavy downpours of rain really wash your soil out. Microgreen is just a great way to get a lot of those micronutrients back in your soil and your plant. So potash, magnesium, sulfur, copper, iron, packed full of nutrients. Again, this is not a fertilizer. This just kind of replenishes, driving, the fact that we want to increase the health in our plant. The other product that I would recommend for a rejuvenation project would be dethatch. So dethatch is a great product, not only for just getting rid of thatch, but it also helps feed some of the microbes in the soil. This has a little molasses in it, sugar, a little bit of yeast in it, and humic acid, fulvic acid. Again, just a great product to help kind of get those microbes going back in the soil. This does need to have a little bit of heat to be activated. Again, what happens when you spray this on the lawn is the microbes come out from the soil, they come up to the surface, they'll eat on some of the sugars, and then when all the sugars are gone, they look around and go, well, what else can we eat? And while they're up there, they see all the thatch, so then they'll start munching on that. Just kind of get the soil moving again. Again, great product for rejuvenation, dethatch. Well guys, that does it for this video. Again, just wanted to make a quick video on this Saturday morning, showing you guys some things that you can use to help rejuvenate your lawn. We're getting ready to start a series for a renovation project that will start on Monday. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. You're not gonna wanna miss it. It's gonna be exciting. We've got a lot of great things happening with the channel. Again, welcome to all the new subscribers. It's gonna be a great year, gonna be a great fall, and the comeback starts soon. So we'll see you guys in the lawn. My name is Devin, and I can't wait to see you in the lawn.